most traders lose money because they are guessing. Essentially, you have a monkey and you're throwing darts at a board, and you're a monkey and you're kind of blindfolded. That is the vision of most traders, right? And so you've got guessing, but you've also got just random strategies you find on the internet, these random indicators. There's like billions of them on TradingView and whatnot, and then maybe a random YouTube video about trading. And then you've also got Discord groups and whatnot, right? Some random guru in the thing is like, hey, you should buy now, buy this, buy, sell this, sell, buy, sell, all that crazy stuff. Now, my approach is a little bit different, right? And I'm gonna tell you about this, right? So it's not gonna be emotional trading, manual trading, like revenge trading, getting back at the market. What we're gonna be doing is a bit of engineering and systems design, right? So honestly, the only real way to get edge in the market is to use the machine to automate, systematize trading logic, right? So everything works together in this sort of somewhat scientific way, right? Now, I want to introduce Coder Trader to you, and the offer to you is that I want to help people build trading systems in 7 days. That is the first thing we're going to get done. So in 7 days, you go through this program and we're going to build a trading system. Now, these are the components of a trading system, and this is essentially the curriculum, right? Day 1, we're going to set up Python, get familiar with APIs, API keys. Day 2, systems architecture. Day 3, state management, making sure we can hold all the information about the market, right? And then day 4 is market data. So getting a stream of market data from the exchange. And then day 5 is being able to automatically trade. Day 6 is where things start getting good. We go into the strategy logic. And then day 7, the final day, is we put everything together and we deploy our brilliant system into the market. So there's going to be no hype, no random signals, no magic strategies. Essentially, this is focused on building a robust, reliable system whereby we can swap out components when we need later in the future, but the system still stays, right? It's robust. Now, for the founding members, I'm going to get my 10 traders, my 10 Coder traders, right? And we're going to lock in a price of $19 per month forever. Then after that, the price will increase. So I'm looking for 10 really dedicated, keen people, right? And we're going to build a trading system in 7 days. And this is going to be amazing, right? It's going to be amazing for $19 a month. In 7 days, you'll have a trading system. Then after that, the price will increase for those people who don't get on the deal. But if you do get on the deal, you'll lock in the price of $19 forever. Okay, so if you want to become a systems trader, a Coder trader, that's what the channel's called, right? I need you to comment system in the video and I will send you the details.